Hi guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going to CodingBat.com and solving the first 6 problems in the Python section in WarmUp1. So let's get started right away. So if you click on WarmUp1 in the Python section, by the way, click on WarmUp1, we're going to see 6 problems. Sleep in, monkey trouble, sum double, diff 21, pair underscore trouble makes 10. So those are the 6 problems we're going to be solving today. So yeah, I'm going to pause the video between problems so that we don't waste any time. So let's start with sleep in. So let me just increase the font for you guys 1 second. I'm probably going to have to do that for every problem, but hopefully you can see that well. The parameter weekday is true if it is a weekday, and the parameter vacation is true if we are on vacation. We sleep in if it is not a weekday or we're on vacation. Return true if we sleep in. So it's wanting us to return true if we sleep in, and we sleep in if it's not a weekday or it's not a vacation. So say if not weekday or vacation, colon, enter. Since if it's not a weekday or vacation, it wants us to they're gonna sleep in. So it's a return true if they're gonna sleep in. So let's say return true right here. And then since if they're not gonna sleep in, we want to return false, right? Because of the 2 Boolean values are true and false. So we could just say else return false. But I just like to delete this else because it's just a waste of time. I just like to put the return false right here, and it works perfectly fine. So go, and as you can see, we got all of it correct. All right, moving into problem 2, we have monkey underscore trouble. We have 2 monkeys, A and B, and the parameters A underscore smile and B underscore smile indicate if each is smiling. We are in trouble if they are both smiling or if neither of them is smiling. Return true if we're in trouble. So this was just like the last one. They want us to return true if both of them, if A smile and B smile are smiling, or if neither of them are smiling. So let's say if A underscore smile and B underscore smile, and then we can say return true. If, and then after that, I'm going to say if not A underscore smile and not B underscore smile, return true. Since if they're not, both of them are not smiling, we're in trouble too, so we're returning true. So, and then if one of them is smiling and one of them is not, which is the only case, then we're just going to say return false. We run this, go, and everything is correct. All right, the next problem is sum underscore double. Given 2 int values, return their sum. Unless the 2 values are the same, then return double their sum. Okay, so in this one, I'm pretty sure you need to, they're going to give you 2 values, which is A and B. Both the parameters are right there. If you, A and B, and it's saying to return their sum, but if they're equivalent, it's asking to return double of their sum. So this is pretty simple. Let's just say return A plus B plus B, and then after that times 2, because when we're in double their sum. Or else we could just return A plus B. So A plus B, go. So it's saying A is not defined. Wait, I think we have to zoom in over here. This is up here. No. So this return is supposed to be over here. Spacing is correct, return a plus b is 2. Or since this return is not working, we can use the if statements, which is another way. So let's do the if statements. So if return, let's do this like this. If since we have an error, we're gonna do, instead of doing the return in a very short order, we can just make it longer and fix that problem. So if a is equal to b, we're gonna do return a plus b, and then after that times 2. Else we could just return a plus b. There we go. We got all correct, and we also got a star. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next problem. All right, we are on to, I think this is the fourth problem. Given an int n, return the absolute difference between n and 21, except return double the absolute difference if n is over 21. So in this, we're going to use something called abs, and it basically just returns the absolute value. So in this question, we're going to do if n is greater than 21. I'm pretty sure we colon for the if statement. This has 2 spaces in there, just as big as the space. Okay, so enter. If n is greater than 21, we're going to return the absolute value, which is ABS of n minus 21, parentheses, times 2. Pretty sure that's what's asking. And then after that, we're going to return the absolute value without multiplying the n minus 21 without the 2. So we're just going to say return. We just copy and paste this part, this, easy peasy, like this, and then we can run this, and everything is correct. So yeah, it was first asking to return the absolute value of n minus 21 times 2, but then if this if statement failed, it would just return the absolute value of n minus 22 if n is over. Sorry, I was saying 22. It's actually the number 21. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next problem. All right, we are on the next problem, para_trouble. We have allow talking parrot. The hour parameter is the current hour time in the range 0.23, so 0 to 23. We are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 or after 20. Return true if we're in trouble. So I could just do this in one line. We can just say return. We could return if it's talking. So we could return talking and parentheses again, hour. If the hour is, I'm pretty sure we're saying more before than 7. So if it's less than 7, so we're going to say this is going to be greater, 7 is going to be greater than the hour, or more than 20. So or hour more than 20, this. And it's just going to, I'm pretty sure, return the Boolean value of true or false. So this problem only requires one line. And there we go. All things passed, it either presented us the Boolean value true or the Boolean value false. And all the cases passed, we got everything correct. Next. All right, we are in the last and final problem here. So it says, given 2 integers, a and b, return true if one of them is 10 or if their sum is 10. So if one of them is 10, we're going to return true. So if a is equal to 10 or b is equal to 10, return true. So if either one is equal to 10, it's going to return the Boolean value true. Also said if their sum is 10, so let's say if a plus b is equal to 10, is equivalent to 10, return true. So now we have all the true Boolean values out. We need to make sure if it's going to, if their sum is not 10, and if one of the integers, if a or b, is not 10. So we're just going to say return false. And then over here is just the both if statements, and then over here we just return false if all of these cases fail. Let's go, and there we go. We have everything correct. We even got a golden star. So guys, I hope this video helped you. I hope you learned something from these 6 problems, or if you just needed the answer to a problem, I hope you learned something from this. So yeah, the video ends here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.